His mercy endures forever. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boy, boy. From the day me open my eyes, Jah love surround my soul. Lift me from the shadows when the nights get cold. Trouble try to hold me, but him break every chain. Turn my morning into dancing. Wash away my pain, walk through valley low. Still my spirit never fret, cause every test my face, Jah beat it without sweating. On the storm and the struggle, my heart stay set on the truth. When me know Jah never fail, I yet Jah never fail, I yet him always there beside. Through the highs and the lows, him on my guide and my pride. Jah never fail, I yet him keep my steps upright. Cover me from evil when it lurking all the night. Jah never fail, I yet my spirit firm and strong. Him led me through the wilderness and carry me along. Jah never fail, I yet my soul in him rejoice. For every victory me claim is guided by his voice. When the world get heavy and the pressure start to rise, Jah whisper hope and strength, me see it in his eyes. People come with jealousy, some move with deceit, but Jah prepare my table, feed me soul complete. Enemies surround me, but them plans get reset. Like river wash them out, Jah protect every step. Me put my trust in him, me no worry, no fret. For me testify again, Jah never fail, I yet Jah never fail, I yet him always there beside. Through the highs and the lows, him on my guide and my pride. Jah never fail, I yet him keep my steps upright. Cover me from evil when it lurking all the night. Jah never fail, I yet my spirit firm and strong. Him lead me through the wilderness and carry me along. Jah never fail, I yet my soul in him rejoice. For every victory me claim is guided by his voice. Me remember days of hunger when my cup was dry. Still Jah provide my manna from the Father up high. No matter where me trod, him blessings never late. Open doors for me when man try close the gate. Them laugh when me stumble, but Jah lift my step. Set me upon a mountain with a vision well set. Me chant my psalms daily, so me no lose bet. I'ma declare again, Jah never fail, I yet Jah never fail, I yet him always there beside. Through the highs and the lows, him on my guide and my pride. Jah never fail, I yet him keep my steps upright. Cover me from evil when it lurking all the night. Jah never fail, I yet my spirit firm and strong. Him led me through the wilderness and carry me along. Jah never fail, I yet my soul in him rejoice. For every victory me claim is guided by his voice. Me look on life's journey, all the battle me fight. Every dark situation, Jah turn it into light. Me grateful for the lessons, the wisdom him set like a light. Her shining when my ship start to wreck. My heart full of praise, my soul not forget. How him keep me safe from the snares where them set. So me lift my voice higher with no disrespect. Glory to the Most High. Jah never fail, I yet Jah never fail, I yet him always there beside. Through the highs and the lows, him on my guide and my pride. Jah never fail, I yet him keep my steps upright. Cover me from evil when it lurking all the night. Jah never fail, I yet my spirit firm and strong. Him lead me through the wilderness and carry me along. Jah never fail, I yet my soul in him rejoice. For every victory me claim is guided by his voice. Through trials and tribulations, me still hold on. Jah light shine bright like the early morn. When the journey rough and my strength feel torn, him raise me up again, new life reborn. Jah never fail, I yet him always there beside. Through the highs and the lows, him on my guide and my pride. Jah never fail, I yet him keep my steps upright. Cover me from evil when it lurking all the night. Jah never fail, I yet my spirit firm and strong. Him led me through the wilderness and carry me along. Jah never fail, I yet my soul in him rejoice. For every victory me claim is guided by his voice. So me walk with courage, me heart reset, living testimony. Jah never fail, I yet from sunrise to sunset. My soul well blessed, Jah love everlasting, me forever confess.